In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a custom party in Stumble Guys. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that I'm doing the process on my phone, but you can do the exact process if you are on your computer, doesn't matter. You need to enter on Stumble Guys, log on the account that you want to make your custom party. Then you need to add the friends that you want to invite in your custom party. So you need to come on friends below party right here, click on this button at the top right corner, add, and type your friend username. So for example, test, click on OK and invite your friend request. You need to ask your friends to click on pending invite and accept your friend request. Come on the main menu again, and now to make your custom party, click on party, and here you will see custom game below normal game. So click custom game, you will come to this page, and here you just need to select the options that you want to put on your custom game. You can select the max players, okay, the max amount of players of your game. You can select the map, so click right here, select the map, accept. You can also select elimination apps, race maps, and so on, okay. You are free to make what do you want to make. So create right here, put the options that you want to use, click to create, and you will create your custom party in Stumble Guys. Or you can invite all your friends, click on this button. If you click on this button, you will invite to your custom party all your friends. I hope I helped you on how to make a custom party in Stumble Guys. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.